You are going to love this month's box. I love this month's box. This is so right in my sweet spot of my favourite type of crafting. You know how much I love my flowers and my butterflies, but I love it when you get all 3D with them. This is the way, let me show you. It's one of the cards that I've done for you, where you can stamp and die cut, but leave your die cuts intact so that you can have little wings of butterflies lifting off. Or you can do flowers, where we can have the flowers staying inside the card, but the petals of the flowers lifting up. I know this is a technique that so many of you love. I love it. Everything you need to get started with it is all in the box. And of course, I've done you some beautiful videos like this one teaching you about the butterflies, like this one here teaching you how to create your own 3D flowers and lift the petals up. Those are all the tutorial videos I've done to support this month's box. So, what's in it? Let's have a good look, okay? Now, as always, loads of inspiration on the front showing you what we can do, but then also when we open this up, everything you need to get going is inside, right? Now, the main crux of it is, of course, the stamps and the dies. So we've put loads of stamps in here, and what I've done is I've matched you up stamps to go with each size of die. So can you see we've also got the little tag for putting your own sentiments in. We've got a few sentiments on there, like as pretty as a butterfly, from small beginnings come great things, thank you so much, beautiful, handmade with love, lots of little sentiments to go with it. But then you'll see this large butterfly die can either match up with the solid butterfly or the beautiful veined butterfly. So that if you are wanting to do cards like this one here, you'll see when I teach you, you'd stamp your butterfly, then you'd line up the matching butterfly wings over the top, and it die cuts the wings but leaves it intact, okay? So those are all of the stamps and dies you're getting. These extra parts here, by the way, these are so that you can do, let me show you, with the butterflies, if you want the little butterfly trailing pieces behind. So those are the extra. You've either got them in die cuts or stamps. And you'll see we even go a little tiny weenie with the little flowers and the butterflies in there. Now, as well as all of that, you know we always include everything to get you started. So, loads of ready done card blanks. So I've done you different sizes so you can do different styles of cards. So plenty of your card blanks in there and the envelopes to go with. And then to do your embellishments, like you'd usually expect from us, 3 different sizes of the ribbon, and then the exact matching colours of the ribbon in the little pearls as well, which just finishes it off really nicely. And I've put some nice summery bright colours in this one as well to get you going. And then a lot of the cards you'll notice we've used this nice bright springtime palette of coloured cardstock. So we've included plenty of sheets of the coloured cardstock there, and it's the nice thin coloured card, so that if you are wanting to do things like shaping, cutting some of the florals like I showed you, that's all included. So you've got the card, we've got our lovely cards and envelopes to get you going, the gems and pearls, and of course the big part, loads of dies in this month's kit and the stamps to go with. So, what are you going to be making? Let's have a look at, hopefully this will inspire you to really get cracking on with this box, okay? It's about, for me, doing cards like this. So this is one of the easel cards from the kit, where we've used the base stamps to create this beautiful wreath, but then the flowers are designed, there's 3 sizes of the flowers, so you can cut them away and actually layer them up like this. Now that is the same flower there as to what's being used here, just the smaller size one only, and those pearls in the middle, we've done you a set of the yellow pearls so that you can use them as little centerpieces for your flowers. Or you could be using it just into the plain coloured card. Oh, I forgot to even tell you, we've also included, I've stolen mine out here, we've included a little pot of the crystal glitter for you, so that's included in your box too, so that you can even add on glitter onto your little flowers or your butterfly wings like this. So that's what the flowers are going to look like. And then the butterfly wings, you see, you can either be creating lovely centerpieces like this. We've done this and then we've put glitter card behind to show these off. Or I think what a lovely idea to use it down the front of your card and have them and cut the side of the card away as well. I thought that was a lovely idea to try and do that with it. Or use this with all of your inks. So this is some lovely stamping and embossing in the background, and then just some butterflies cut out. Look fabulous. And of course, because you have them little tiny weeny ones, what about doing a gorgeous project like this?